Merry meet everyone, this is Shiv Shakti and I am here to give you your weekend reading, of course. So let's start. It's 51 and it says the deep end. The Tantric Dakini Oracle talks to us over here about diving into the deep end, about really going within and figuring out things for ourselves. But this is not just about diving into practically anything. It is about taking a plunge into the deep-seated emotional imbalance that we're possibly having right now. It is talking about the psyche. It is talking about all that we've kept hidden and we've tried to run away from. This weekend is an awesome time to bring it all out if it's not coming out automatically. Otherwise, you can be sure that a lot of things that you've not wanted to face up to are coming up, because the simple reason that this card is allowing them to happen to you. And it is a very healing process. 51 is 5 plus 1, 6. And 6 is a very healing number. This weekend is an absolute weekend of deep inner healing. Yes, it can cause trauma. It is emotionally traumatic. It is chaotic in your life, but you can be sure that all of this that is happening is possibly happening because of what you've left unresolved. It is time to wake up. It is time to resolve everything that you've kept unresolved. In a different way, it is time to be honest with yourself. It is time to be honest about the fact that this is what I want, this is how I want it, this is why I want it. Emotionally, what is it doing for you that you need to keep it so dear to you? Why do you need it? Whatever you're struggling with emotionally right now, answer yourself this question: why am I doing this to myself? And secondly, what am I benefiting from this situation, this arrangement, this psychic, this emotional, this psychological arrangement in my life? What is it doing to you that you're not willing to let it go? It's amazing, because I'm going through something like this myself, and it's a huge new beginning for me. It's something that is going to unnerve you, yes, but it is something that's going to set you free. Really, like freedom, completely freedom. I suggest you take a pen and paper and write. At the end of the day, on Sunday, evening, night, I don't know, just burn it. Write all of it through this weekend and just burn it at the end. But remember one thing: allow those innermost feelings to come out. If you want to cry, you cry. You want to scream, you scream. You want to laugh, you laugh. You do whatever. You let it out in a way that makes you comfortable. But be sure to let it out. It is extremely important for you to clean up for the next thing to come in. And this depth of emotion, of psychic ability, is just the beginning of a cleaning for something much better, much purer, and what's the word I'm looking for? It's like a pristine crystal. Let me show you something. See this crystal here? See this? See how clear it is? And on the other hand, it's got this world inside itself. See this? See this? Yeah, that shows it better, doesn't it? This is the kind of clarity, and yet this is the kind of reminders we'll have. So you pick the reminders, keep them close, but allow the drama around the reminders to fall off. It is time to let things fall off, and it is time to go deep inside. Remember that you are your own ruler, leader, whatever you want to call it. But no matter what, do not run away from going deep this weekend. It's a gift that has been given to you by the universe. I hope you guys have a deep weekend. Have fun. I'll see you on the week. Bye bye.